So it was in Connecticut, so I said, let me go out there, I'll take the ride and we go take a look at it. It was in a ditch, flat tires, the elements had got to it a little bit. Nothing too crazy, there was no swimming pools inside or anything, which is okay. I didn't find any engine bits in the trunk, which is also a positive. When I opened up the hood, I saw it's complete. I looked at the odometer, had 67,000 miles. I said, you know what, it's worth the risk. So I came back a week later with my man Ed. We brought the van, we brought the hitch, and we brought it back home. And it's been sitting here all that time for at least 2 years since last week we started to get to it and start working on it.